How to create a trading account on PRIMEXBT. Are you guys facing issues to create a trading account on PRIMEXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To create a trading account on PRIMEXBT, first of all, open browser on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, now search for PRIMEXBT website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see this option for account. Now, just simply click on it and tap on create a new account. After you click on create a new account, select the one according to your preference. If you like to trade on crypto, then click on crypto futures. If you want to trade on futures, forex, then just simply select the first option. Now click on continue, select the currency. Now tap in create account. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to create an account on PRIMEXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.